this is a Miss EAS again. I was at school. Tornado watch. Also, new radio location, by the way. 12993. Tornado watch. It's this radio. The 12-993, and it's on an adapter, but you can't see it. Actually, let me turn these on. You might be able to see the adapter. Just gotta wait for these to light up. Okay, it's right there. That's just my dog. Why are these on? Toyota 120. Tornado watch. 12996. Tornado watch until 6:42 a.m. What? That's not right. 5:23 a.m. Uh-oh. No, exit. Exit. Off. Menu. Time. PM. That was a fail. 6:42 p.m. Must have gotten cut. Let me see.
Your coastal waters for
Hello. Oh, now you can see better. Oh, there's the adapter. Hour and 18 minutes. Tornado watch. Yeah, that's a new radio location. It's in the kitchen.
day and inland waters choppy. Widespread showers and scattered thunderstorms.
So that's a new location. I'm gonna turn the dining room lights on. Here's the Capello.
Inland water.
Tornado watch. Misty. Yes. This happened while I was at school. Alright, that's pretty much it.